So hello guys, welcome to Inside tutorial, and here we are going to discuss that how to overcome the failure of DHCP server. As you can read here that we are going to do the two jobs. So first we will take the backup of DHCP server. So this is our, you can see here, this is a domain controller which has a DHCP server installed, and you can see here it is hcl.com, and moreover you can see what are the role. So you can see here that there are three roles that is installed on this domain controller. We are having the DHCP server and ADDS and DNS on the same server. So our aim is to get the backup of the DHCP server, because this DHCP server, you can see here the scopes and the address pools you can see from 1.2 to 1.6, and the leads you can also see that a client computer named win.hcl.com is having the IP address through DHCP server. Now see how to create the backup of this DHCP server. So just right click on it, on the scope, I think not here, yeah, here you will get the option of backup, and you can see here that your backup is created inside this backup folder automatically. So this is the default location of the storage of your backup. So you will click OK, and your backup has been created. Now you can see this, that where your backup has been created. Open my computer, go into C drive, go into Windows, open system32. Here you will be seeing this DHCP folder, and here you will be seeing this backup folder. Inside this, your backup of DHCP server has been created. Now what will happen is that suppose that this DHCP server has been damaged, or you can say it has gone, means anyhow some error has occurred and it has become functionless. So what you will do, you will just wait for a moment. Here what you will do, you will again go to that backup location where your backup is saved. Go into system32, and here we are going to DHCP server backup, and what you will do, you will just copy this and you will paste in your pen drive if you are having the pen drive or any media like DVD or something like that. So I am having the pen drive, and I will create a folder inside my pen drive, backup, and here I will paste it. So I have taken the move the backup of DHCP server from C drive to my pen drive. Now what I will do, I will uninstall the role from this DC. Okay, you can't shut down this DC because your DC is having the role of ADDS and DNS. So what you will do, you will just remove the role of DHCP server from this domain controller. Now so first let me remove this. So see here how we will remove any roles. In this way you can learn that how to remove the DHCP role. So just open server manager, click remove roles, and a wizard will appear, and here you uncheck the DHCP server option, click next, and just remove it. Now just close it. It will ask you for restarting the server, so just wait for the opening of this server. You can read also from here that what are the steps that we are going to take in our lab. You can read from here. And all the things we are going to do, that is written here. We are not going to do anything extra. So your server, means your domain controller, has been restarted. Now what you will do, you will create a new DHCP server in your domain, because your earlier DHCP server that was on the domain controller has failed down. So what you will do, for creating a new DHCP server, you should know the IP address of your domain controller which has DNS and ADDS installed on it. So just check the IP address of it. It is 1.1 and the DNS is also 1.1. So we will now switch into another operating system. This is a different operating system. You can see here that no roles are installed on this operating system. It is just a server, means a system having only, you can see here. So how to create a DHCP server on a member server? So see here, first what you will do, you will just bring this system in your domain. So you have to just check the IP address, means here you have to give the manual IP of your domain controller, which is containing the .2, because 1.1 has been given to domain controller. Now what you will do, you will bring this server in your domain. So it has already been brought in your domain. Okay, so no need to bring this server on in domain. Now what you will do, you will just click add roles and you will click next. You will choose DHCP server. So you will choose 1.2, validate 1.1. So you have a valid DNS server. Click next. Here you will create no scope. Okay, disable DHCP v6, and here you will give the credential of administrator, means administrator will authorize this newly created DHCP server. Now click next, install. So wait for the installation. It is installing too fast. So you have installed your DHCP server. Now from here you can verify it. So what you will do, you will now minimize it, go into computer, Windows, and here you will go into system 32, then DHCP, then here you are seeing the backup folder. Here you will paste it. So I think this should be out, not inside, and you will remove this. So in this way you have copy paste the database. Now what you have to do, just click on here, and here you will get the option of restore, and here you are giving the location where you have pasted your backup. So just click OK. Yes. So your DHCP service will restart and the DHCP database will restored on this DHCP server. So now when we will click, see here you are having the scope of commerce, that is from 1.2 to 1.16, and whatever the address that was leased to the client, you can also see that address lease. So in this way you will be creating a new DHCP server and you will do the backup and restore in your domain.